Hi students, I'm Prakash, Academic Advisor, Masterminds. A big breaking news from CA Institute. Today, all of a sudden, CA Institute has made a big announcement with respect to the opt-out scheme for July 2021 attempt of examinations. Actually, everyone was predicting that CA Institute will definitely come out with an opt-out scheme, because definitely some students might be there, either they might have got attacked with corona or their family members might have got attacked with corona and their preparation might have got suffered. Let us assume a student got attacked with corona now and he is not in a position to appear for examinations to be conducted from July 5th onwards with respect to CA Inter and CA Final, and from July 24th onwards from CA Foundation. So in case of those students, so definitely students must be given a chance whether they want to write these examinations or they want to write the next cycle of examinations. So several students, several qualified chartered accountants and several people belonging to this fraternity have been asking the Central Council members of CA Institute to announce one opt-out scheme. Actually, there was one more popular demand, that is, you please postpone the examinations at least for a period of 20 days. Unfortunately, CA Institute has not considered this and they have considered opt-out scheme, but there is a catch. So this opt-out scheme is entirely different from the opt-out scheme they have announced in the earlier attempt. So frankly speaking, I have a mixed feeling with respect to this. I don't consider this as either a good or a bad move. So definitely there are certain bad things which are not favorable to the students. There are certain good things which are favorable to the students. I just have a mixed opinion with this regard, and I hope that students will also have a mixed opinion with this regard. So I don't think everybody will welcome this and neither everybody will reject this. Now let us see what are the changes that the CA Institute has proposed. If you remember, in the earlier attempt also CA Institute has announced opt-out scheme, and they have announced to conduct the examinations once again in the January cycle exclusively for the students who have opted out. But this time CA Institute is not giving such opt-out, that kind of opt-out. So yes, there is opt-out scheme, but they are not going to conduct any second cycle of examinations, and those who opt out from this cycle of examinations need to write their exams in November 2021 cycle itself. So in such a case, I don't think anybody will be interested to choose opt-out unless they have a dire need to postpone their attempt, because they need to wait for another 6 months to write their examinations. Now let us see. So today, that is on June 21st, CA Institute has made this announcement. So now the first point, in case examinee himself, that is the student himself or herself, or his or her grandparents, that means the grandparents of the student, or parents, or spouse. Let us assume the student might have already got married, then the spouse got attacked with corona, or children or siblings residing in the same premises are infected with COVID-19, such examinees will be provided opt-out option. That means either the student or any of the family members of the student got infected with corona. In such a case, that student can apply for opt-out. Examinees availing this facility need to adhere to the following guidelines. So these are the conditions to avail this opt-out. The first one, the student has to log in to the examination portal and he needs to submit evidence of COVID-19 positive RT-PCR report. And the student should also upload the RT-PCR report, Aadhaar card and a self-declaration form. So that self-declaration form will be prescribed by ICAI. Most probably they may keep a blank copy of the declaration in the portal. Students need to download, fill it up and shall upload the same. the examinee has to submit the COVID-19 positive report issued by the government recognized laboratory. That means RT-PCR report, RT-PCR report based on the test conducted by a private laboratory, they may not allow. They will allow only government recognized laboratory. The report must have been given by a laboratory which is recognized by government. It may be noted that all such reports shall be verified by ICAI from the said laboratory, and in case the same is found to be false or fabricated, strict action as decided by the committee shall be taken. In this regard, I request all of you not to indulge in any sort of malpractices. So choose opt out only if there is a genuine reason, because what the CA Institute is saying is they will thoroughly verify everything. Now the examinee has to submit his or her Aadhaar card along with Aadhaar card of infected relative as the case may be. So the student has to submit his Aadhaar card along with the Aadhaar card of the relative whom he claims to be infected with corona. So examinees may note that COVID-19 positive RT-PCR report shall be of a date, this is really objectionable, which is on and after the date of issue of this announcement. That means the RT-PCR report must have been generated after issuing of this notice. So to any date up to the conclusion of the examination, that is either before the commencement of the examination cycle or at any time before the completion of the examination cycle. So the date should be of like that. Examinees who opt out from May or July 21 examination cycle will be allowed to write their examinations in November 21 examination cycle. So definitely I think majority of the students will not be interested to opt out this time, because they need to wait another 6 months. In earlier case, what happened is, so immediately after completion of examinations in the month of December, they have announced to conduct the examinations once again in the month of January. So this time CA Institute is not giving that facility. So it would have been good if CA Institute has allowed that. The last attempt, and this is one great news for the students of old syllabus, the last attempt of the old course for final and CA Inter, that is IPCC, shall be extended to November 2021 examinations only for those students who are allowed to opt out from May or July examinations. That means once you apply for opt out with all the necessary evidences, then you will be allowed to write one more attempt. So that is in the month of November 2021. That means they are not going to give this facility blanket. So they are going to give this facility only to the students who have opted out. If a student has opted out in any paper during the entire cycle of the examination, then he or she will not be permitted to appear in any of the remaining papers. For example, after appearing for first two papers, if the student got infected with corona and he applies for opt out, then he will not be allowed to appear for the remaining papers for which he has applied. So if a student has appeared for first group and then opt outs before the conclusion of the examination of last paper of the second group, the result of the first group will be declared. Let us assume one student has already applied for both the groups and he has finished writing all the papers of group 1. After that, either on the first examination of group 2 or at the time of second examination of group 2 or third examination of group 2. So on any day on or before the last examination of group 2, if the student gets attacked with corona, then so his group 1 papers will be valued, and if he gets qualified, he will be declared as pass also, and it is sufficient for him to write group 2 alone in the next attempt. So this is also a good move. It's favorable to the students. So what I can conclude is, definitely there are certain steps which are favorable to the students, and definitely there are certain steps which are not favorable to the students. So one among them is not giving any time extension. So not giving any time extension. There was a popular demand to postpone the examinations at least for 2 to 3 weeks. It was not fulfilled, and several students thought that opt-out will be given, which will be similar to which was conducted earlier, but this time it was not given. And of course, one good news is Another option was given for the students of old syllabus students to appear for examinations under old syllabus for November 2021 attempt also. But this time it seems that CA Institute would like to verify whether the student who have opted out have really got attacked with corona or not, either the student or his relatives. So they want to generate a mechanism with which they can thoroughly verify whether it is genuine or not. That's why what I request all of you is, don't indulge in any sort of malpractice. All the best, my dear students. By the way, if you have still any doubts, you can interact with me through my mail ID, which is given in the description of this video. Please do install our Android app, Masterminds Online Classes. If you belong to iOS platform, please install the app Class Plus and enter the organization code as MZGUN. And please do follow our Facebook and Instagram pages, that is Masterminds for CA. And please do like and subscribe to this channel, Mastermind for CA and CMA. All the best.